My name is Brian Hughes, and I'm Associate Head of the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. And it's my pleasure today to introduce our student speaker, Danielle M. Carmon. Danielle is graduating summa cum laude with a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. She is the youngest of 4 siblings, all of whom have graduated with honors from the NC State Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. While at NC State, Danielle has participated in 2 undergraduate research projects under the direction of the ECE faculty, one in computer vision and one on compressed sensing. In addition, she has worked for Progress Energy as an intern for the past 2 years. She has volunteered with the NCSU International Friendship Program and Community Hope of the YMCA. I'm happy to say that Danielle will continue on to the graduate program next semester to pursue her master's degree in computer engineering through our accelerated bachelor's master's program. I'm happy to present to you Danielle M. Carmon.
Good morning. I'm privileged to celebrate today with you. Earlier this year in the spring, I was with some of you in a senior level course where the professor was sharing some feedback he had received from industry about new graduates. He said that they thought that new graduates needed better teamwork and communication skills. To that, one of the students called out, "Well, that's what they get for hiring engineers." So we'll see how well we engineers can communicate today. I will talk about where we've been, where we are, and where we're going as graduates. First of all, where we've been. I like to think that the university has brought us closer together, particularly, for example, on Wolf Line Route 3. But we've shared more than that. We've also shared challenging assignments, projects, exam jitters, and if you sat next to me at the soldering station, you shared the aroma of scorching hair. In all seriousness, there have been some great people who have encouraged me through long lab hours, and I really appreciate that. But it hasn't just been work. We've had a lot of fun. I'm a big fan of the Welcome Back Bash, and that's a chance we get to give back to the professors. We often give them nice cold baths in the dunking tank. But enough about where we've been. I'm pretty excited about where we are. We're graduating, and some of us are going off to exciting new jobs. Others, like me, are going to grad school. Some of you are still looking for that dream job that starts at noon, ends at 1 p.m., and has an hour off for lunch. Lastly, I'm looking forward to our future. I know that the university has prepared me for those tough interviews, and I hope that it has prepared us for those tough jobs. I know I still have a file folder with material from one of my Intro C courses that I still refer to sometimes. Recently, I was on the web and I saw a video clip from a TED Ideas Worth Sharing conference. It explained some work that a professor and some of his graduate students had done. They had taken on the challenge of how do we translate the web for free? To give you some perspective, they estimated that if we were to translate 80% of Wikipedia, it would cost $50 million. That's like 20 cents per word. But what they did was they connected language learning with language translation. And they took time that people were already spending on the web learning a new language to have them translate the web for them. In other words, they took time people were already using learning a new language and made it $50 million worth more valuable. That's what we as engineers do. We take stuff that's not useful to us right now and we make it do other things for us. A lot of people have talked about how are we going to get out of the economy? How are we going to create more wealth? And I think that you are the solution. You are the people with the new ideas, the new technologies that are going to create wealth. and provide a better future. So I'd like to thank the families and the faculty at the university for making this day possible, and I hope you finally remember the past, embrace the present, and look forward to the future. Thank you.